I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, nice to have you with us. You can subscribe. Don't forget about that if you like these kind of videos. And we're going to put a link up here to the Dodge Dart playlist that I'm working on. So this is a newer Dodge Dart. This is 2014, but I'm sure it'll be similar with any of the same body style. We're doing the front signal light park light. How easy is it to change the bulb? Well, real easy. I'll show you how. So this is the light we're changing here, the signal light. See if you come around, you can see they're on. You just have to, right there, that grayish looking with the wire sticking out. Just turn it counterclockwise. And make sure that it's off, because if it's on, that bulb is hot. I've got it on there just to show you. But make sure it's off. Actually, I touched it and was like, well, check the bloopers. It's hot. It's a 7443 NA, which is natural amber, or NALL, which is long life. Easy enough. And it just goes back in there. It can fit either way. It's one of these new kind of bulbs that there's no wrong way to stick it in there. And just put it back in. So here we are. Like I said, it fits either way. There's only two different ways it can snap in there. And then just maybe turn it left, to like the 9 o'clock position or something, and just wiggle it in there and then turn it to the 12 o'clock. You're going clockwise this time. It should just snap in there. And then you just want to check to make sure that it is working. And that should be that easy. Yep. So that's going to do it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked it. Give me the thumbs up too. And I'll put a link in the description as to where you can get this bulb if you're having trouble getting it. Other than that, stay safe. Check out my other playlists too. And until next time, I'm saying thanks for joining me.
Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.